How to use Snapchat on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Snapchat on mobile. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply log in with your account, and if you don't have one, simply create the new one. And now here, once you are inside the app, Snapchat has three main screens. So the first is camera. So as of you are right now in the video, and from here, if you simply swipe right, then you can see the chat section. And from here, if you simply swipe left, then you can see the discover or the spotlight section. Now here on the camera screen, you can just tap on the capture button to take a photo or hold it to record a video. And with that, you can also add text, stickers, filters, or drawings to make it fun. And here you can just tap on send to button to share your snap with your friends or add it to your story for everyone to see. And with that, if you swipe right from here, then you can simply open the chat section where you can send text, images, or video messages. And here you can add friends by username, snap codes, or contacts. And that's it. Now you know how to use Snapchat on mobile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.